Hello everyone. Today we will learn about birds. We will learn the names of birds and their characteristics. You must have seen birds fly in the sky or on the roof or on the trees. Birds have their own characteristics. Their bodies are covered with feathers. Birds are warm blooded and having one pair of wings. They fly high in the sky with the help of their wings. They have one beak to eat their food. Ducks. Ducks are aquatic birds. They are smaller than swan. We can see them on fresh water as well as seawater. They eat aquatic plants, grass, insects, fish and worms. They spend their most of the time in the water. Swans. Swans are water birds with heavy bodies. They have big wings and have a long neck. They swim gracefully in the water. They can fly high hundreds of miles a day in search of food and shelter. Crane. Crane is long-legged and long-necked bird. It also have long beak. It loves to eat fish. When it flies, its long neck is stretched out in front and legs trailing out behind. Peacock. Peacock is a large male bird. It has beautiful and colorful feathers. It can open its feathers like fan. It eats insects, seeds, flies, snakes. It lives in forest, farmland, bushland and other warm regions. Kiwi. Kiwi is the bird that cannot fly, although it has wings and feathers. It is flightless bird. It has short legs and its wings are small. It is in size of a chicken. Ostrich. Ostrich is the largest bird. It has wings but it cannot fly high like other birds. It can run very fast. The size of its eyes is near about the size of a billiard ball. It is bigger than its brain.
Sparrow. Sparrow is a small bird. It is brown in color. It makes the sound of chirping. It eats small food grains. Crow. Crow is generally black with black beak and legs, but it can also be black with grey coloring. Parrot. Parrot is having short hooked beak. It is green in color and it can mimic human speech. Pigeon. Pigeon is a grey bird often seen in towns sitting on buildings in large groups. Owl. Owl is a bird with flat face, large eyes and strong curved nails. Eagle. Eagle is a large strong bird. with curved beak. It eats meat.
Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds. Other birds have wings to fly, but they have flippers to swim in water. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird. It flaps its wings so quickly that they make a small buzzing sound. It eats small insects, ants, and nectar from the flowers.